Microsoft has this mission to empower every person on this planet and every organization to achieve more. We've been doing this for 5 years across the country, and today is different.
Technology and computer science, the things you can do with a keyboard.
We're so excited to be the first of its kind on a base. This is such a treat for us to bring everything that we do daily in our stores, daily in our theaters, to this audience.
Who wants to make a difference?
Oh, I do.
I'll tell you what, there's nothing more important than our future, and our future is our youth, our children. It's always just a gift to be here and do something that's going to positively influence somebody's life, somebody's day, and really planting that seed of inspiration for their future.
There may be, a superstar technologist here that will someday come to Microsoft, will someday start their own company. This is where it all starts.
The foundations of coding. Say it to a neighbor. Being exposed to STEM at this age, I think, is just going to open up a whole world of opportunity to some of these kids that they didn't know existed or didn't think was available to them.
The Microsoft Spark event has been so great for my kids because it's showing them that what we do in the classroom doesn't have to just stay in the classroom. It's connecting them to what they're going to do for the rest of their lives, and they're actually talking to people who do this every day.
I really love to see the kids working as a team, and the facilitator was really great about really hammering home the fact that they have to work together, they have to meet the deadline, and then I would come back to the room and see everybody participating.
The fact that Microsoft has taken the initiative to spark interest for these young people in careers in technology is quite remarkable, and it's a strong partnership between the military, our schools, Microsoft, and the community, and I'm so excited to be a part of it.
Thank you very much, Microsoft, for bringing this out here. The kids are going to have a wonderful time in there. Years down the road, they'll go back and look at today and say, that Spark was the start of my career where I am now. So thank you very much.